Do you feel like no matter how hard you work, your income still doesn't reflect your effort? What if I told you that increasing your future income isn't just about working longer hours or getting a bigger paycheck, but about mastering a set of financial skills that can change the way you earn and grow wealth? In today's video, we're going to dive into the top 8 financial skills that can transform your income. These aren't just about saving money, they're about making smart decisions that will increase your earning potential over time, regardless of your career or industry. Ready to discover the skills that successful people use to build wealth? Let's get started. 1. Negotiation. Do you feel underpaid or overlooked in your career? Negotiation is one of the most powerful tools you can use to increase your income. Whether you're securing a starting salary, negotiating a raise, or setting your rates as a freelancer, mastering negotiation skills can transform your financial future. The key to successful negotiation is understanding your value and being able to articulate it clearly. It's about knowing what you bring to the table and confidently asking for compensation that reflects that value. By negotiating your salary, benefits, or rates effectively, you're immediately improving your earning potential. Negotiation isn't just for job offers or raises. It also applies to contracts, freelance gigs, and even side projects. The more you negotiate, the better you'll get at it, and the more opportunities you'll create to increase your wealth. In fact, some studies suggest that negotiating a higher starting salary can have a compounding effect, impacting your lifetime earnings. The best part? You don't need to be an expert, just be prepared and assertive, and you can start seeing the benefits in your paycheck. So next time you're up for a performance review or project negotiation, don't be afraid to ask for what you're worth. 2. Data analysis and interpretation. In today's world, information is power, especially when it comes to making smart financial decisions. Data analysis and interpretation is a critical skill that will boost your income by allowing you to make data-driven decisions that benefit both you and your organization. Businesses in 2026 are becoming increasingly data-driven, and professionals who can analyze and interpret complex financial data are in high demand. Understanding numbers, patterns, and trends gives you the ability to make more accurate predictions, whether you're working with a business's finances or your own investments. Being able to translate data into actionable insights makes you a valuable asset to any organization. This skill is especially in demand for roles that require strategic decision-making, like finance managers, analysts, or even entrepreneurs. The better you are at interpreting financial data, the more you can increase your salary by making smarter decisions that drive business success. By investing in tools like Excel, Power BI, or Tableau, you can take your data analysis skills to the next level. Mastering data not only makes you indispensable at work, but also opens up opportunities to earn more in higher-paying roles. 3. Financial modeling and forecasting. What if you could predict the future of your business or investments? Financial modeling and forecasting is a skill that's essential for projecting revenue, expenses, and returns. Professionals who can create accurate financial models are in demand because they help organizations make informed, strategic decisions. Whether you're in a strategic role or investing on your own, the ability to predict future financial outcomes is an invaluable skill. You can use financial models to forecast how a business will perform or predict how different investments will pay off. This allows you to make proactive decisions that minimize risk and maximize returns. In business, those who can forecast growth and set realistic financial goals often find themselves in leadership roles as companies seek out people who can guide them toward profitability. Even for personal finance, building your own financial models for your savings, investments, or retirement gives you more control over your financial future. The best part about financial modeling is that you don't need to be a finance expert to get started. You can start learning basic financial modeling techniques online and use them to build a solid financial foundation for your career or business. 4. Strategic communication. Can you explain complex financial concepts to someone who has no idea about finance? Being able to communicate clearly is a key financial skill that will increase your income. Strategic communication allows you to convey financial insights to both financial and non-financial stakeholders, making your ideas more valuable to decision makers. The power of communication is not just about speaking clearly. It's about persuading others and getting buy-in for your ideas. When you can effectively tell the story of a financial model, business investment, or even a budget proposal, you're more likely to win the support of your audience, whether it's your boss, clients, or investors. In addition, the ability to explain financial data and market insights in a way that anyone can understand will make you indispensable in meetings. It also helps to build credibility in front of key decision makers, which often leads to promotion opportunities and higher salaries. To sharpen your communication skills, practice simplifying complex ideas and making them relatable. By focusing on clarity and persuasiveness, you can position yourself as a trusted financial advisor and increase your earning potential. 5. Risk management. Do you have the skills to handle financial risks? In an unpredictable economy, risk management is crucial for preserving and growing wealth. The ability to identify and mitigate financial risks allows you to make informed decisions that protect your income and investments from unforeseen events. Whether you're analyzing market risks, credit risks, or personal financial risks, understanding how to manage them ensures that your wealth is protected. Professionals who can evaluate and assess risk effectively are highly sought after in fields like finance, investment management, and business strategy. Employers also prioritize individuals who can safeguard company assets and ensure regulatory compliance. Moreover, applying risk management principles to your personal finances will help you mitigate losses and protect your wealth in uncertain times. 6. Digital finance and fintech literacy. Are you prepared for the future of finance? As financial technologies continue to evolve, digital finance and fintech literacy are becoming essential skills for professionals looking to increase their earning potential. Understanding blockchain, mobile payments, and automation tools will give you a competitive advantage in the fast-changing financial world. Digital finance encompasses tools like online banking, cryptocurrency, and robo-advisors, which are reshaping the way people manage their money and investments. By staying ahead of these changes, you'll be well-positioned to make smarter financial decisions and use the latest tools to maximize your income. Fintech is also a growing industry with numerous job opportunities for those who are well-versed in digital finance tools. You don't need to be a tech expert to benefit from digital finance. Just familiarize yourself with the basic tools and trends. 7. Tax planning. Do you know how to reduce your tax burden legally? Tax planning is a critical skill for anyone who wants to keep more of their hard-earned money. By understanding tax codes, deductions, and exemptions, you can legally minimize your tax liabilities, allowing you to retain more of your earnings and reinvest them in growing your wealth. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or salaried employee, tax planning ensures that you're not giving away more than necessary to the government. For businesses, tax planning involves structuring operations in a way that minimizes tax exposure and maximizes profits. If you're unsure how to approach tax planning, consider consulting a tax professional to help you navigate the complexities of the tax system. 8. AI and automation expertise. Are you ready for the rise of AI in finance? AI and automation are reshaping the finance industry, and those who can harness these tools will stand out in the job market. From automating payroll to using predictive analytics for investment strategies, AI is making financial operations more efficient and effective. If you can't master AI tools for financial operations, you'll be in high demand. Companies are paying top dollar for professionals who can integrate artificial intelligence into business processes, saving both time and money. In addition, AI isn't just for large corporations. As fintech grows, there are opportunities for individuals to use AI and machine learning in their own investment strategies. And there you have it, the top 8 financial skills that can improve your future income. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your current career, mastering these skills will set you on the path to financial success. By prioritizing negotiation, data analysis, financial modeling, and others, you'll be well equipped to grow your income and achieve your financial goals. Like this video, if you found these financial skills helpful, share it with someone who wants to boost their income, and don't forget to subscribe for more actionable financial advice. Let's make smart financial decisions and build wealth together.